Hey, this will be a video chart on QASP. Longtime follower of this one now, and today had, I think, possibly record-setting volume in terms of at least shares traded. We do something like this, you can glance down here, look at this volume bar, and see that from here, at least back until September time, no volume bars have been that big. So a lot of volume today. My guess would be some sort of news or something. But the news got a good response. We had some profit takers step in and knock it down. So there, we still have this key resistance in here that I'll point out. But overall, the important thing that we have going on with the chart is higher lows continue to be put in ever since back here in early December. When we put in that low, then we've had this little basing area up here, and now it's looking like we have this next new little basing area right up around this area. And as long as these bases continue to form higher than one another, I think everybody will be fine, and obviously the chart will remain looking good and attractive, which will hopefully bring in new fresh money into the play. So let's just map out kind of this resistance level that I'm talking about. If you saw my static annotated chart I did yesterday, I talked about this 24-cent region, basically just found by this previous high over here from back, let's see, on October 26th. So this right now is kind of the pain in the neck area of resistance. What I mean by that is, yes, it's the price is broken above there. You can see right here when it broke above, got a nice pop, but when it then fell back below, acted as resistance here. Acted as resistance. Yes, we had to close above it, but what we'd look for is more of a separation. And then you can see the next day fell right below it, and then today really made a nice move above it. However, could not still close couldn't close up above that 0.024 region. So right now this is pretty essential in terms of allowing the chart to make its kind of next moves upwards. If the chart's going to continue to uptrend, obviously this one's going to have to this level will have to fall, and it looks like the chart's working on that. But my guess would be, I have no idea. I think the transfer agent is not gagged, but I think this today was probably just quite a few people that were down accumulating shares in this region. If you think about it, 0.015 down in this area, people selling at 0.03. That right here is a 100% gain, and hopefully people aren't being greedy, so they're saying, I better at least lock in some profits at 100%. So this whole area down here, we're up in this, high, right around 100% area. So that's not really surprising to see this upper shadow here because, like I said, my guess would be that people down here are starting to lock in some profits, and that's where this kind of downwards pressure came from today. Just simply people that are finally kind of getting their payday for buying down here and being patient. So as mentioned, 0.024, that's kind of our short-term key resistance level right now. If that can fall, then I think the price can get back up here to 0.03 probably pretty quick. So that'll be another resistance. And then after this, we have our big resistance up here at 0.035. And this will be, kind of, a major test up here. But right now I'm not going to really worry too much about that. The key things to, kind of goals are first just to get some closes and separation from this 0.024, and then to get up above this 0.03. But, like I started the video, I'll end it with that. As long as these higher bases continue to be formed, the chart's going to look fine, and, it's going to show signs of life and potential. So ever since this day right here on December 1st, this was the lowest it's gone, and now it's started to, wiggle its way back upwards. Still lots of work to do. It was obviously higher back in August and September, but it has been making higher lows, and that's the name of the game. So we'll just have to see what this upcoming week brings. If there are any other questions on the chart, please send me a message. I'd also encourage you, if you haven't yet, to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things, from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. And best part is everything's free. So it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. Got nothing to lose, and we've been making some good money together. One last time, this was QASP. Thanks for listening, and everybody, have a good weekend.